In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Hostinger platform for managing your website domains and making important changes. Whether you're new to using Hostinger or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the essential steps to effectively manage your web assets. So let's get started. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and head over to the Hostinger website. You can do this by typing hpanel.hostinger.com into your browser's address bar. Once the page loads, you'll see the Hostinger home interface. This is your central hub where you can access all the tools and features you need to manage your web presence. Now, let's focus our attention on the upper part of the interface where you'll find the navigation bar. Here, look for the tab labeled Domains. Clicking this tab will take you to a new section dedicated entirely to the domain management aspects of your Hostinger account. It's where all your registered domains are listed, and from here you can undertake tasks like transferring or renewing domains and changing DNS settings. With the Domains tab open, we're ready for the next step. Take a look at this interface and you'll see various options related to domain functions. However, what we're interested in now is to switch to managing our websites. So, navigate back to the main dashboard and locate the Websites tab in the menu. Clicking on Websites takes you to the section where you can oversee all the websites you have linked to your Hostinger account. This is the area that controls how each website under your account operates. While you're here, you might notice some highlighted icons or links within the Websites interface. These highlights are useful shortcuts, making it easy to access frequently used settings or functions with just a click. Keep an eye out for these as they can save you quite a bit of time in managing your website functionalities. Finally, if you need to make more drastic changes, like removing a website from your account, know that it's perfectly manageable from this platform. However, proceed with caution. To do this, find the Delete option associated with the website you want to remove. This option is usually found near the list entry for each site. A word of advice: ensure that you truly intend to remove the site, as this action is irreversible and will erase your site data permanently from the Hostinger servers, and there you have it. A straightforward and comprehensive guide to navigating the Hostinger platform for basic domain and website management. Remember to always double-check your actions when making significant changes to your web properties. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to follow for more tutorials and tips like this. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.